baby! Happy birthday! Happy 70th birthday! Wish ko na humaba pa ang buhay mo. Umabot pa ng 100 years old para makakuha ka ng 100,000 sa gobyerno. Happy birthday ulit. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Mama Baby. Stay healthy. See you soon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Manay Baby. Happy 70th birthday. I wish all the best. I wish you always healthy and happy. And sayang, wala ako dyan. Magbibinggo pa naman sana tayo. Gustong-gusto ko makipagbingguhan sa iyo. Pag uwi ko, magbibinggo tayo. Stay healthy, always happy, kasama ng pamilya mo, kasama ng apo mo. Sa susunod na uwi ko, mahaba na ang bonding natin. Hoping na makasama tayo kahit paano ng mahabang oras at mahabang araw. Happy birthday, Manay Baby. Happy 70th birthday. Okay. Kasabihan nga ng mga Hebrew, ng mga Hudyo, Mia Bisrim. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Sorry. Siguro naman mahaba pa ang buhay natin kasi ang lahi natin mga mahahaba ang buhay. Okay, enjoy your day. I love you. I miss you. See you soon. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Hi, Tito Baby. It's me. Anyway, gusto lang kita i-greet ng happy birthday. Sabi nila 70 ka na daw, pero parang hindi naman. Parang batang-bata ka pa din. Bagets na bagets. Anyway, enjoy your day. Enjoy the moment. Ang wish ko lang is, more love. And of course, good health. Importante yan. Kailangan lagi tayong malusog, malakas. Para sa araw-araw. Again, happy birthday. And I hope to see you soon. Hopefully next year. And again, happy birthday. Have fun. Bye.
Hi, Mama. Happy birthday. I hope you feel loved and cherished on your special day. You truly deserve it. And I miss you and I love you. I can't wait to see you back here in the States.
70th birthday, Tita. May this day will be full of your wishes, granted, more blessings to see, and more healthy years to celebrate. May your 70th birthday be the best ever in your life. Always young, and love you. God bless.
Happy 70th birthday, baby! More birthdays to come. Enjoy your day. The best is yet to come. We love you from Iloilo.
Mayo, nadlaw sa imo dida Manay Baby. Na prima ko na maganda. Mag-greet lagay dak sa imo sin happy 70th birthday. I-times 2 mo na ha. Pag times 2 makadak. Okay, makaon kita damo-damo. Kami nga ko na sa imo. God bless you on your birthday and enjoy your day with your family. Alam ko mahal ka sa imo mga anak. And thanks God kay mga maayo man ang mga lawas sa imo kanakan. So enjoy with them. Be beautiful. Be gorgeous. And be healthy. God bless. Thank you, Lord. Kami nga.
Happy birthday, Mama Bibi. Sana bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay. Para mayroon kaming kainuman. Sana malasing mo sila at ako. Bigyan ka ng isang apong lalaki. Yun lang. Ingat.
Happy birthday, Mama Baby. Stay healthy po and good health and stay maganda po. Enjoy your day.
Hello, Marie Baby. Happy birthday. Sana bigyan po tayo ng mahabang buhay para makakita pa tayo ng maraming apam. Di ba?
Hello from Texas. Hello, Ate Bay. I would like to take this opportunity to greet you a happy 70th birthday. Sana nandiyan ako to celebrate with you. At pero okay lang. Next time na pag-uwi ko, magkita na lang tayo. Anyway, ang wish ko sa'yo ay sana magkaroon ka pa ng mahabang panahon para makasama mo yung iyong pamilya at makasama mo rin yung mga kamag-anak at mga masasayang araw. Wish you good health and wealth and everything else. Happy 70th birthday uli. Enjoy na lang. Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Mama. I just want to say thank you for all those years na inalagaan mo ko simula nung bata ko hanggang ngayon. Thank you din sa pag-guide kahit na sobrang kulit ko, kahit sobrang pasaway ko. And I hope na ma-enjoy mo tong birthday mo. And happy birthday, love you.
Happy birthday, Mother Baby. Enjoy sa birthday mo. Sa lingkuhan kita.
Happy birthday, baby. Sana umabot pa ang buhay natin. Parang pansit.
Hi! Happy 70th birthday! You're still young. Sana bigyan pa tayo ng maraming birthday na darating. Konting ingat sa pagkain. Okay, happy birthday. Kumusta sa inyong lahat dyan? Enjoy!
Happy 70th birthday, Ma. Golden ka na. Ang wish ko, good health. Wish you all the best sa buhay. Mahal na mahal ka namin, magkakapatid. And sana makumpleto din tayo one day. Sobrang thank you sa lahat ng mga tulong mo sa akin, especially kay Ate Mirai. Love ka namin sa dalawa. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday, Ma.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Wishing you a good health and more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Pagpanay bingo.
Alright, happy birthday, Mama. Good health for you and more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday. We love you, Mama.